Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the germs activity from class today in case you just need a little refresher. So for this activity you're just going to need a piece of paper and some crayons, okay? So first you're going to get your child's hand and you're going to trace it. So see if they can trace it, kind of show them how to do it. And if they need help, that's totally fine. You can help them. But try to see what they can do on their own, if anything. Maybe show them the concept first and then, go ahead and let them do it. All right, so once you have your traced hand, you can go ahead and talk about germs. So germs is something we've been talking about, this week, and washing hands and making sure they're clean. So you can tell them, so here's my traced hand. So you can just tell them, germs are what happens when you get food on them, or it could be dirt or anything like that. And so just really explaining the importance of washing their hands again. So we're going to be creating germs on their hand. So they have their hand and it is clean, but sometimes we get dirt. So I just picked 3 random colors to use. You can pick whatever colors you want, whatever colors they want. But what you're going to do is just draw germs in different shapes. All right, so if your child needs help, you can draw a shape in a pen first or a yellow marker and they can trace it. But you're going to tell them, we're just going to draw germs just all around your hand and in different colors and, like I said, different shapes, just to work on those kinds of concepts. Okay, so let me see, just finishing up my drawing here, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like and kind of how to expand on this activity even more. So not only is this working on writing and pre-writing strokes and tracing, but it's also working on shape identification, color identification, and all these fun things. So I have my hand, and let's just say this is something maybe that yours could look like or could not. But then you can count how many of a certain shape there are, or how many colors. Oh, look, what is this shape? Oh, it's a triangle. And then if they can't tell you that it's a triangle, you can have them point to the triangle. And if they don't know their shapes yet, that's okay. You can say this is a triangle, and you can get their fingers and have them point or touch it, and trace it with their hands. And you can do that with all the shapes. Oh, let's count all the circles. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 circles. Show me 3 fingers. Okay, let's see how many fingers we have on our hand here. So just a bunch of different ways that you can do that. And again, it's talking about how to keep your hands clean, especially during this time right now. But it's also, teaching so many other language concepts. So, working with your child, depending on where they are, you can work on full sentences. I see germs, I see green marker, I see orange circle, things like that. And if they're not there yet, if they're maybe just saying one word or even doing a sign, you can do I see green, I see yellow, and things like that. Or you can just do one word, yellow, green, blue, etc. for all the other colors, pink, red, all the other, whatever other colors you guys have. And if you want to do a sign, you don't know what it is, you can ask me and I can let you know. But yeah, so go ahead and just meet them where they are. Try to expand what they already have and try to make it fun, however that could be. And if they're really into a certain thing, you can have a sticker and put it on there. You can do a Dabber bottle and put it on there. You can draw dogs and put them on there. Okay, let's go clean our hands. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope you guys practice the activity. Please post pictures of the activities so we can see. We really want to see what the kids are doing at home and how they're doing. If you want to post a video of you working with them, then we can see, how it's being implemented and things like that. That would be great. All right, have a good rest of your day. Bye.